When are you supposed to return your rental car to avoid getting charged for it? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes. I'm a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. Well, the answer is you should return your rental car as soon as you no longer need it. In the insurance company's eyes, the minute they make you an offer to pay for the total loss of your car, you need to return that rental car, otherwise you will start being directly billed for it. If your car is not a total loss and they're doing the repairs, when you get that telephone call from the repair shop that the car is ready, make plans to pick up the car and simultaneously drop the rental car off. The biggest problem people face is that they keep the rental car too long. They figure they need it longer to go shopping for a car when their car's been totaled. And they wind up getting billed directly for the rental car, especially when the crash is somebody else's fault, and they're very frustrated about this. So return that rental car as soon as you receive the total loss check for your vehicle, or if you get a call from the repair facility that it's ready for pickup. Well, that's it for today's video on when to return your rental car. By the way, if you found this information useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get great new content every time we post another great educational video. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. Why? I answer questions like this all the time. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.